Welcome to a revolution in luxury travel, ladies and gentlemen. This is a message, not simply a motorhome. This is the McLaren Motorhome for 2026. It was made with the same DNA as the world's most amazing hypercars, and it looks like a beautiful combination of racetrack aerodynamics and contemporary design. Each curve and line serves a specific function and is composed of carbon fiber for maximum strength and minimal weight. Even when it is stopped, its matte gray paint and distinctive LED light accents, which are reminiscent of the vintage McLaren Senna, give the impression that it is traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. However, this beauty is more nuanced than it seems. This piece of art conceals a hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine with over 900 horsepower, giving it the appearance of a race car. It demonstrates that a 5-star hotel and a Ferrari on wheels can be maintained with its combination of electric economy and physical strength. Inside the cockpit is a command center dedicated to pilots. A huge curving OLED display that is a marvel of subtle design serves as the dashboard's focal point. Everything is shown in stunning clarity, from infotainment and navigation to a thorough performance summary of the hybrid system. Inspired by the McLaren Artura, the steering wheel feels properly weighted in your hands, and the dash is covered in high-end leather and carbon fiber trim. Here, you may interact with the machine and see the accuracy and passion of McLaren engineers. Upon exiting the cockpit, the view changes to a large, open-concept living space. The inside is a modern luxury masterpiece that skillfully blends design and functionality. The delicate mood lighting highlights a neutral color scheme and sharp, angular shapes, creating a sleek and serene ambience. Comfort is given priority without sacrificing style thanks to the furniture's lightweight composite structure and premium Alcantara coating. With a large retractable screen and a top-notch sound system, the lounge can be transformed into an immersive home theater experience thanks to the seat's ability to spin and recline. The bedroom is a haven created to promote the finest possible sleep, as you will discover. It offers a calm atmosphere, crisp blinds, and soft lighting. Unmatched comfort is provided by a king-sized bed with a high-density memory foam mattress. There is a lot of storage without taking up much room thanks to the concealed cupboards and compartments that span the length of the walls. You may wake up to breathtaking views of the outside while yet having total privacy thanks to a sizable panoramic window at the head of the bed. The excellent design of the bathroom is undeniable. A rain shower head and a walk-in shower with tempered glass enhance the idea of a wet bath. The design seamlessly combines a sink and toilet, a touch-sensitive faucet, and a smart mirror. The flooring is made of a beautiful and long-lasting heated composite material. This part, which focuses on design and economics, demonstrates how opulent even a tiny place may seem. With all of its contemporary appliances, the kitchen is a chef's paradise. The sophisticated cabinetry includes a 2-burner induction stove, a combination convection microwave, and a full-size refrigerator with a freezer. The countertops offer a surprisingly large surface area and innovative storage for all of your cooking needs because they are composed of a contemporary, long-lasting composite material. It provides the opulent atmosphere you would anticipate from a contemporary penthouse, and it is furnished to allow you to prepare delicious meals anytime you choose.